Yo, what's going on? It's Alex with the Options Council. I'm back again with another video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I want to go over another trade that I did. This one here is very recent. I did it on June 24th, 2026. Um, and as you see, this is the start of the morning. I am looking for trades to get into. I have already did my top-down analysis. Remember, I like to go from the daily to the hourly and just to look for things that I may see that could keep me from entering into a trade. As you see, I'm going through, you can see my no-goes. If I have my no-goes there, that means I don't want it to go past that level, or I want to see it reject that level or bounce off that level. So right now I am currently searching. Let's keep going. Let's see what happens. I'm still currently looking. And I do have a set of stocks that I look at daily. The same ones. These are ones I studied. I have over like almost 7 years in the game. And I know how these things move. Some new stocks, but like I said, I'm just right now I'm looking for a potential play. Nothing much going on right now. Looked like I was looking at Imbis, but I didn't like the setup on that. I'm like, man, something gonna come through or not? And we do have news. We did have news that morning. It was at 9 a.m. I think it was something like New Homes. It's a 3-star. So I had to be careful of that. I didn't want to be in the trade. As I said in my previous video, I did that on QQQ. I traded through the news or traded on the news, and I lost $700. So I'm very, very cautious of that. I know a lot of people don't like to trade low beta stocks. Low beta stocks do me pretty well. I like low beta stocks. Even though they move a little slower, they do me pretty good. I'm looking at AMD. I'm like, I like that setup on AMD. It didn't quite touch my no-go, but I like that setup. I'm currently looking at my daily. I see it's kind of rejecting that's a moving average I have over there on the daily. It's not quite touching it, but I'm kind of interested. So I see myself observing that. Said I come back to it. So I'm back at AMD. I have some interest in AMD. Look at it. I got interest in puts. I'm looking at puts on it. When I say puts, that means I'm looking at it to go down. I'm looking for the stock to be put down. That's what puts are. I also had 2 screens up. So on the other screen, I was looking at SPY. So in a little bit, you should see a order screen come from my Fidelity account where I did puts on SPY. Yeah, I did puts on SPY. You're going to see it in my in the bottom right hand corner. You'll see it pop up where it says order fill. So yeah, let's take a look. But I was still interested in AMD at the same time because I wanted to take puts in it as well. But SPY was moving really fast, so I didn't really have time to put in an order for AMD as well for puts. Let's continue watching, guys. Yeah, AMD was looking very interesting to me. I still don't see my order come up yet for SPY. So I was not in SPY puts yet, but I did do puts on SPY. So um, you should see that order come across my screen in the bottom, again, the bottom right hand corner. That bottom left, that's a hood alert. They're just telling me that hood has touched a moving average. So I might want to stay away from it. Still observing AMD. At the meantime, I'm also looking at SPY on my other screen. There you see it, guys, in that gray that comes up in the box says order fill, SPY puts. I did puts on SPY right here. Even though this is AMD, I will switch over to SPY here shortly, but I was already in SPY puts. I want to say around like 8:39 a.m. Or 9:39 a.m. Eastern time. Okay, 9:39 a.m. Eastern time. I hit SPY puts. I still have AMD up here because I was still interested. I want to try to do a double order, but the way SPY was moving, it was going so fast I couldn't get into it. I had to put my focus on SPY. That's my order to sell puts on SPY. They just came up in the bottom right hand corner. I want to try to get a lead in and try to sell out because it started dropping fast. I told you guys it moved very fast. Again, at the bottom left, that's Marvel hitting a moving average. I want to stay away from that. So and guys, to be honest, I totally forgot that this screen was recording. I was doing a full screen recording on my other screen. So now I'm like, oh, I caught it. Let me switch to SPY. And there it is. And I'm going to show you my entry when I got in around 8:39. You guys, you can see that there, 8:39 of my entry. And man, did it start dropping quickly, guys. I mean, quick. I was looking for a out right about that low of those that first that lowest wick. Um, the opening of that candle, I want to get out right about there. So that's where you see my exit. I'm just gonna put a finger right where I want to exit at. There you go. I normally don't put a finger on my chart, but I'm just doing it because I was screen recording, so you guys can see the clarity of why am I doing this. There goes my stop. It almost looked like it was a nice 2-to-1 right there. Maybe a quite short of 2-to-1, but yeah. And I'm just putting on there good. What I'm saying? Good play. Yes, it was a very good play. I caught that very nicely. Like I said, at 8:39. My entries was about seven. What's that? 7:36:34. Very good entry. And right about here, I'm going to exit on out. Because SPY can definitely turn around on you quickly. Yep. So that's my exit. I just wanted to make you guys aware. I got out right there. What a great trade. Awesome trade. I was done. That trade took me, let's see, 1, 2, 3, about 4 minutes. I should have went up. Normally on SPY, I kind of leverage down some with my money. I didn't put much into it, so I didn't really make much. Sometimes I just know how SPY trades. You have to be very cautious with SPY, especially with it being an ETF. So I just kind of play it. I don't play it too long. I don't stay too long. And I'm going to put up my confirmation here to let you know that I did actually make this trade and I did actually make money off this trade. It wasn't much, but hey, it adds up. And here I'm putting up a screenshot from my Fidelity account. It should be popping up shortly. And see, that's why I don't like standing in SPY too long. It likes to bounce just like that. It will do it. I knew it probably would come back down all the way to the low of day, which I should have played it too, but I don't take any chances with SPY. Sorry, I was taking a picture of my Fidelity statement for you guys to see. And there you have it. That puts on SPY. That's too dark. Come on. Circle it, Alex. Yeah, there we go. I made about $278, I think that is, or 230. I can't call it. See, I should have made it bigger. About 258, somewhere in there. I don't know. But it was a nice game. Check. I will take that all day. Right? So guys, feel free to join the Options Council, man. And if you want to learn anything new, hey, come holler at me. I got my link in the bio. Come join 7-day free trial so you can see what happened in the Option Council's world. And we can lead you on a path to greatness and do it God's way. Thanks, guys. See you later.